The following video clip will provide information on the double check valve model DCVE sizes 3/4 inch through 2 inch. Let us begin by identifying the major components of the valve. The double check valve consists of an inlet shutoff valve, an outlet shutoff valve, 4 vertical test cocks, and 2 spring-loaded check valves. A single access cover allows for easy removal of internal parts during the maintenance of your valve. For your convenience, Flomatic's backflow preventers are serviced with common tools. No special tools will be needed to service your valve. Begin by removing your backflow from service. First, close the outlet shutoff valve, and then the inlet shutoff valve. Next, the internal pressure must be released by using a screwdriver to open the test cocks. Test cock number 1 will remain closed. Next, use a wrench to take bolts out of top cover. Remove top cover. Once the valve has been removed from service, the check valves can then be removed and inspected. It is important to service your valve to ensure proper operation. The most common malfunction of backflow preventers is the presence of foreign material. The 1/2 inch through 2 inch DCVE models have check valves that feature a simple inline stem type design. Each check is held into place by a stainless steel spring clip. Standard pliers can be used to remove the clip. To remove, position the pliers around the spring clip tabs and take care to squeeze the tabs fully together with a secure grasp. Angle the clip away and pull out a groove. For your safety, disengage the spring clip inside the valve body before removing. Next, use a straight blade screwdriver to carefully pry the check out of groove. After removal of all internal components, inspect the sealing areas within the valve and clean them as needed. Flushing the system is recommended. The check valve assemblies consist of an unleaded metal stem, a stainless steel spring, a plastic composite seat, an O-ring, a stainless steel washer, a silicone disc, and an unleaded disc holder. Once the check has been removed, inspect the seat and O-ring for damage by running a finger along the seat profile. Next, use a wrench to unscrew the check stem from disc holder. This wrench is the same wrench used to remove the cover bolts. The silicone disc can then be removed and inspected for damage. Should any rubber parts of the check valve assemblies need replacement, Flomatic has repair kits available. The silicone disc may also be temporarily reversed until a replacement is available. Upon reassembly of check valve, make sure to place stainless steel washer beveled side facing the silicone disc. After the inspection is completed, rinse all components thoroughly to remove any foreign material. You should also apply an FDA-approved lubricant to O-rings before reinstallation. After you have finished servicing your check valves, simply replace them into valve body. Begin by lowering and firmly pressing the check valve into valve groove. Lower the spring clip into valve body. Squeeze the tabs fully together with pliers and position spring clip at a slight angle into bottom of groove, and then fit and release into groove. When replacing cover, make sure all test cocks are facing the same direction for field testing procedures. For additional information, please call us at 1-800-833-2040 or visit us online at www.flomatic.com.